In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can edit your real home's homepage. This is how our homepage looks like. Let me show you how you can edit it. To edit your homepage, click on Edit with Elementor. As our default page builder is Elementor, we will be editing our page with the Elementor page builder. As you can see, we are in the default editing. Now we can start with the editing. Currently on the top that you can see is our slider. If you click on the 6 dots, you'll be able to edit this slider. As you can see, it is property slider. All the properties can be added over here. Now let's go down. Below the slider, you'll be able to see a search bar. From here, you'll be able to edit this. We have options. For example, if you don't want to show labels, you can hide or enable it. You have top fields to display. You'll be able to change these fields. For example, if you make it 1, you'll be able to see only 1 field. If you make it 4, you'll be able to see 4 different fields. So that 3 is better. So this way you'll be able to see looking for certain features. For this feature search, you can change this text as well over here. Then we have sorting options. How it should be sorted. Then we have property locations option. Then we have property status option. Rent and sale. These are the 2 different property statuses. Then we have property types. You can see all these property types can be added from here. Then we have bathroom option, bedroom option, garage option, agents option, and more. So once it's done, let's see these headings. So the recent properties and come checkout is title, main, and description. You can change the recent text, properties text, and the description text over here. In the typography, you'll be able to change the font and the alignment. This is also again an heading. You'll be able to change the text over here. This is also a text. This is also a text heading. This is also a text heading. This is a section, call to action. You'll need to change the text over here. And these are 2 different buttons, the first button and the second button. You can add links to the buttons. Below that we have again text. This is the title, main title, and the description. Then we have agents. All the agents that you add from backend will be shown over here. You can change the layout from here. Also we have 2 different designs for it. Then we have words, which is also again same top title, main description title, and the main description. Below here we have the testimonial. So the testimonial are from here. You'll be able to see author name, the designation of the author like the developer, thumbnail, and then the description of the testimonial. So this way you'll be able to add multiple testimonials. To change the layout of the testimonial, you can go to setting and do some changes like thumbnail slider, then action speed of the slider testimonial, different animations of the slider. And if you go down, you'll be able to see partners. Again, this is top title, main title and description part. Below here you have images of partners. So if you want to change this partners, what you have to do is go to your dashboard. And go to partners. Over here you'll be able to see all the partners. You can add multiple partners over here and all the partners will be added over here. So this way you'll be able to change your partners. Now this is an image or property taxonomy, which means that it's a category. For example, taxonomy type, city or status. These are three different category or taxonomy. So all the taxonomies are added from types, location or statuses. For example, currently we have it as a type. The second one is also a type. And then it's property type. So if you go to types, property types, you will be able to see all the different types. This one is again property. This one is also a property and this one is also property. But when you see the site, you'll be able to see some changes. Let me show you. Currently, as you can see, there is no property types. Let's try to add them. Let's make it an commercial property. Make this as shop. Make this as villa. Make this as apartment. So now if you save it, now all the property types with the apartment will have two properties which it's showing. This is an property type which is an category of villa which is showing 4 different properties of villa. So this way you will be able to add multiple taxonomies. Now if it's showing 4 property villas, if you click, it will automatically query villa properties. So as you can see, property type which is villa. So it will show you 4 different properties of villa. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4 villas. Now let's go up. Now you'll be able to see a very big form. This is an inquiry form created with Elementor. So this inquiry form has name prefix which is Mr., Miss, Doctor. Then we have full name, mobile number, email, country, city, state, zip code, state, where did you find us, agent, message, etc. Agent is automatically added from this agent field. This is everything from the website. And what happens when you hit the submit? So this is the submit button. If you want to change the submit button text, you will be able to change from here. And this is target email. Here you will need to add your email so that every contact information, every inquiry will be submitted to the email ID. If you want to add target email CC, you can add here, or if you want to add email blank carbon copy, you can add over here. So this way you'll be able to edit your inquiry form. Then above we have properties. If you click on this box, you'll be able to display properties grid. Currently all the properties are being shown, but if you want to filter them by the property features, for example, if any property has only 2 stories, you'll be able to feature filter it. So now as you can see that these 5 properties have 2 stories. Let's feature it more with bike path. Let's see how many properties have both 2 stories and bike path. Let's see how many have fire alarm. So this way you'll be able to filter them. So now we also have option for property types like apartment, office, rental. If I select office, let's see how many offices have this all features, and which is also an office. As you can see, there is no offices. Let's see if we have apartments. As you can see, this is the apartment which we have. Let's say apartment building. Let's search for the commercials, residents. So as you can see, this way you will be able to filter different types of properties. And then we have locations. Let's see how many properties are from Miami. As you can see, all the properties are from the Miami. Let's see how many properties are for sale or rent. So now, as you can see, those sale properties and this is rent. If I select sale, you'll be able to see only the sale properties over here. So you can see all the sale properties are added. So this way you'll be able to filter them all. Then we have show only featured properties to show only the properties which you have ticked as featured on the listing page. Then we have stupid properties, show pagination, media count, and all those other options. You can also add to compare button. So this one is the add to compare button and is the favorite button. If you want to hide it, you can simply select it and the buttons will be hidden. Same way you'll be able to remove label tags, you'll be able to change the statuses or remove the statuses. As you can see, we have just removed the label tag. So then we have typography for the text. Then we have property labels, featured, add to favorite, added to favorite. You can change this all. So this featured text you can change from here. And then we have meta settings. You can add metas like bedrooms. These are the different bedrooms. If you don't want the bedrooms, you can change it to something else like year built. All the year built will be added instead of bedrooms. Then change it to year built to change the labels also. So this way you'll be able to change your properties. Now let's go up. I've shown you how you can do it. And so this way you'll be able to complete your home page. Now to add new options or new elements, simply click on this plus, add a new column, and then you'll be able to add any element that you see over here. For example, if you want to choose a video, simply drag it and drop it. A new video will be added. Simply go to YouTube and copy paste it. If you want to make it 50%, simply go ahead and duplicate it. Click over here, add a new column. So now this video will be shifted to the right hand side. Now let's try to add a text. Simply click on heading and add it. You can add text. If you want to show something else like an agent phone number or a button to call, simply add a button. Change the text to call us and add a button with phone number TEL, then the phone number following. So whenever anyone will click on it, it will automatically initiate a call. So this way you will be able to easily edit your home page. And once it's done, go back to your website, click on the logo, and you'll be able to see your new home page. Over here, as you can see, we have a filtered listing. These are new taxonomy, and this is something that we just created, and this is call now. So this way you'll be able to edit it.